Most people think credit scores are complicated. But the truth is, small, everyday mistakes destroy your credit score without you even realizing it. You might be paying bills, using your credit cards, doing everything you think is right, and still watching your score drop. Today, I'm breaking down 5 common mistakes that kill your credit score and exactly how to avoid them, so you can protect your money, your loans, and your financial future. And make sure you watch till the end, because mistake number 5 catches almost everyone off guard. Mistake number 1, paying bills late. This is the number 1 credit score killer. Even one late payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. So when lenders look at your credit, the first thing they ask is, can this person pay on time? Even being 30 days late can end up on your credit report. How to avoid it? Set up auto pay for at least the minimum. Use phone reminders and always pay before the due date, not on it. On-time payments are the fastest way to build strong credit. Mistake number 2, using too much of your credit limit. This one hurts your score quietly. It's called credit utilization. Let's say your credit limit is $1,000 and you're using $900 of it. That's 90% usage, and lenders hate that. Even if you pay on time, high usage makes you look risky. Here's the rule. Stay under 30%. For the best scores, keep it under 10%. How to fix it? Pay your balance before the statement closes. Ask for a credit limit increase. Or spread spending across multiple cards. Mistake number 3, closing old credit cards. A lot of people think closing cards helps their credit. Most of the time, it actually hurts it. Closing an old card shortens your credit history and raises your credit utilization. Older accounts show lenders you've managed credit responsibly over time. What to do instead? Keep old cards open. Use them once every few months, and never close your oldest card unless you absolutely have to. Mistake number 4, applying for too much credit. Every time you apply for a credit card or loan, a hard inquiry hits your credit report. Too many inquiries tell lenders one thing: this person might be desperate for credit. That can lower your score and stay on your report for up to 2 years. How to avoid it? Space applications 3 to 6 months apart. Apply only when necessary. And check pre-approval offers first. Mistake number 5, ignoring your credit report. This is the mistake most people never think about. Your credit report can contain errors, fraud, or even accounts you never opened. And those mistakes can destroy your score silently. In fact, 1 in 5 Americans has an error on their credit report. What to do? Check your credit report for free every year. Dispute anything that looks wrong. And monitor your credit regularly. This step alone can raise your score without spending a dollar. Never ignore small debts. Even a $50 bill can go to collections and damage your credit for years. Always clear small balances fast. Your credit score affects your loans, interest rates, rent, and sometimes even job opportunities. Avoid these 5 mistakes and your credit score will improve naturally over time. If this helped you, hit like. Comment which mistake surprised you the most. And subscribe for more simple money and credit tips. And watch the next video to learn how to boost your credit score faster than most people.